doing a little, I've determined on my layout how I want this track to lay. And I'm starting to attach it. So what I did was I traced out you see here, I traced out where the track laid, right? And then I put some of the, sorry, what I'm using to hold it down, Alex Plus Clear. And I just did a little bead and just came across with a spatula, filled in the lines, and that's that. Now I'm just going to lay it down. And then I'm going to pin it because I don't have a bunch of soup cans and stuff to leave it. I don't do a lot of soup. Like canned soup, that is. And if you just put it down, pretty much sticks really well. I'm just running trains. Yeah, so it pretty much stayed. And I just got to see it pretty much staying. And then I'll just add some pins. Just going to press it in. Oh man, they're hard. And that's it. Just using the pins just to, clamp it down until it dries. And it's so thin. You're putting down such a thin coating, it dries fast. And that's it. And the Homasote, man. Man, if you have Homasote available at your lumber supply place, it's like, get it. Get it, because right now, Homasote, believe it or not, $35 what I pay for this sheet. And I saw Andy Mono, he bought a piece of foam, 2-inch foam, granted it's 2 inches thick, and he paid $70 for it from the big stores. $70. Oh, so here's a tip: if you want to use foam on your layout, rigid foam, when you're at that big box store, look for damaged sheets. That's my tip. I remember when I did my N scale layout, and even I use foam, rigid foam, 1 inch, 2 inch, whatever, in on my. Sorry, I had to do something. I use it to cut my plywood on. I put it under my plywood, and I use it as a bottom support, and it helps with bottom tear out when you're cutting plywood. So that's my little woodworking tip for you. I use the heck out of that stuff, and the nice thing is I have sheets of it. I have one sheet at my shop that I've had for 10 years. I've been cutting on. Because you're not cutting through the whole thing. You're just scoring the surface of the foam when you're cutting the plywood. So it works good. Yeah, the Homasote is nice because it holds screws. You don't have to worry about holding screws. So the back one I'm going to do the same with. I just need to mark it, and just going to do the same because I know that's where it's going to be. So that's it. And there you have it. Set them down, and now I'll just let them dry. Yeah, so I kind of Not exactly sure if I'm going to put propane on this track or not. Back there will be a warehouse, and it'll probably take these cold storage cars, because I have two of those cars, and maybe some box cars too. Yeah, we'll see. But that's what I got so far. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Give this a try, and give Homasote a try. Yeah, it's definitely worth it.